What's up, gamers? I'm coming at you from the zone today, and I'll show you how you can make Chifir. Chifir is a super powerful black tea drink that you can make. So here we go. First thing you'll want to get is some tea bags. I have some Russian tea bags here. Black tea preferably, but you probably, to be more authentic, find the cheapest one possible. A filter, and then a chezva, or a Turkish or Bosnian coffee pot, which we are going to brew everything in. So we are going to light a fire because we're out here in the wilderness. So the lore of this brew is that it's made by prisoners primarily because they are rationed tea and they just make these incredibly powerful tea brews. So once we got the fire going, you can split your tea bags. I'm going to use around 4 or 5, but you can make it as powerful or as weak as you'd like. So first thing we'll do is fill the coffee pot here, or shall I say teapot, with some water and let it come to a little bit of a simmer to boil, and then I'll add the tea bags in. Alright, so the water is heated up and I split those tea bags open and dump the tea into the pot here. And we're going to let it come to a boil. You don't want it to boil over, you kind of want it to start looking like that, and then you take it off the flame and then put it back. It's kind of similar to how you make Turkish coffee, and it'll start looking kind of blobby like this. That's why you'll want the filter for sure that I showed earlier in the video. So we'll let it do that a couple times. I'm going to brew it for around 5 to 10 minutes max, but you want it pretty powerful. So once it's done brewing, I'm going to grab a towel and take it off the fire. Now this will be a pretty strong caffeinated brew, so I would recommend filtering it. And I would also recommend maybe having a little snack with it. I got some pate here, just so you don't get a tummy ache, because sometimes tea will do that. And we're done. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to y'all next time.